Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the amazing Method All-Purpose Cleaner Spray in French Lavender Scent. If you're tired of dealing with tough dirt and grime, this plant-based and biodegradable formula is perfect for you. Not only does this cleaner cut through grease and grime with ease, but it's also safe to use on most non-porous surfaces including counters, tile, stone, wood, and glass. And the best part? It's cruelty-free and tested by people, not on animals. Plus, the bottle is made with 100% recycled plastic, so you can feel good about your purchase. The French lavender scent is an enchanting medley of lavender, bergamot, purple sage, and chamomile, making it perfect for any chateau. So, if you want to keep your home sparkling clean while also being kind to the planet, make sure to grab your Method All-Purpose Cleaner Spray in French Lavender using the link in the description. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.